Today we are going to learn how to convert text into numbers. The first thing we are going to have in this course is a variable that's called age, and we input the data as a number. This is a number. This is text, sorry. And we are going to print it and see what type of variable is this. In this case, the outcome will be text. And after that, we are going to take that variable and transform it into a number and reprint what kind of variable it is. In this case, that will be a number, an integer. And after that, we are going to set a new variable that it's called price text, and transform that into a float number. Why a float? In this case, because it has decimal numbers. Without it, it will transform it just in an integer. So the outcome of this that will be a float. And that's the transformation, and we will see we are going to run the code and see the outcome of every line. Now it's running, and as I told you, here it transformed. Now the class is stirred. It matches with it and this one, and after that we transform this one into this one, and we transform into an integer. So that's why in the second line this is an integer. In the last line we find a text. This is text. But you transform it into a float using this function. That's why this is a float when you print it. And that's it.